This is Jira software demo. After you log into your account, this will be your first screen as you saw. First of all, I will teach you how to create a project. There is a classic project and a next gen project. We want to choose the classic project. In here you will say that the name, they will ask us to enter the name. I just say name 111. You can change the template into a Kanban or project management, whatever of your options. But we will use Scrum. Testing. I will create the project. So in here you can see their project backlog. There are user stories, tasks, bug. But there is something, but in Jira there is one thing that is bigger than user stories, and that is called epics. So epic is what the business point of the project. Like if the user want to say that the user want to be able to manipulate their personal account, their account, and then the stories will be like, as a customer, I want to be able to change my password. I want to be able to change my profile pictures, to change my personal information, and I want to sign into with Facebook or Google. So here we'll create an epic. Here for the project test, issue type is epic. Epic name, account manipulations. Provide your user a way to manipulate their account, and then I click create. So in this epic you can in Jira, issue is a word that they use to describe task, bug, or user stories. They will come together in one word, issues. So we can create some issues that related to this epic. I'll create a user story as a user. I want to be able to change my password. In here you can also set the priority to highest, high. I will set to high, and then click create. So here you can see that this story is related to the epic accounts manipulations. So as I click in here, so now with to be the word breakdown structure. So as to break down this user story into many different tasks, you click the user story, and then click create subtask. In here is will ask you to create a subtask. So first of all, we need to, if the customer want to change the password, what needs to be done first? We need to create an API that the website can call. to change the password. Here, create API to change the password. I click create, and in here I can add on some attachment. I can put in the status. I can assign to someone in my team and someone that I report to, and the reporter is the one who's creating the task. And there is a label. There is front end, back end design. I would tick back end, and then the priority to high, show more. We can estimate the time that the task will be done in like 2 days. This is time track. This is the component, a fixed version. I'm here done. If it's done, just click close. And I want to create another task in here to be design the layout of the change password component. And another one is to implement it. Implement the design. Create. I will assign somebody, and then here this is where you want to arrange the task. In here you go click link issues, and here it will be many options. But if you want to implement the design to the website, we must wait for the design to finish, right? So we have to going to choose has to be done after, and click for the issues. The issue is design here. Design the layout for a change password component. I will link it. And in the in here, in the design, the layout, see there's only link issues that it has to be done before implementing the design. So next step, we want to create a sprint. Just create sprint. We want to track the story into here. Start sprint, the sprint's name, the duration, the end date, and the goal. It's A, B, C, something like that. We click start. So in here there's the to do tab. We'll have all the tasks will need to be done. If I drag it into the in progress, and there will be time tracking. How much time do I spend on this? If I say like 4 days, in here it says like it's worth 2 days over the original estimating. And if I say like 2 hours in here, and I save, this will be 1 day and 6 hours left. If I put all of them into the done, there will be update parent issues, and all the subtasks is done. So the user story is done too, so we update it. So after finishing the sprint, we can see its report in here. Burn down chart, burn up chart, sprint report, say burn down chart. And this is here our sprint from the beginning. Sprint report. One thing is missing from this Jira software is a Gantt chart. So, but there is add-ins for it. Let me see. In here, you can there's Big Gantt. Big Gantt is an application for Jira software to add ins to your project and